Hi, welcome to this video where I will show you how to set up the HTML source code of a web page on Shopify. So let's get started. First of all, open your Shopify dashboard and then from the left menu bar, click on the online store button. And now on the online store page, after clicking the themes button, now click on the customize button. Now on this page from the left menu bar, go down and choose the add section button. And then from the menu select custom content. And now click on the add block button. And then choose custom HTML. So paste the code here that you want to paste and now click on the save button. So that's how you will set up the HTML source code of a web page on Shopify. That's all for this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.